everyone. I'm going to talk about lecture 23 today. And first of all, thank you so much for giving me a lot of feedbacks about how my video lectures are going. And while a lot of people said that that is truly helpful, but one student gave me a feedback that I was a lack of excitement during my lecture videos. So I kind of took it very seriously, and now I changed, refreshed my the lecturing environment. Then I made a studio for the lecture in my office. Now I also invited several guests to help me deliver you excitement about my lecture. Okay, I'm going to show you, who they are. That is my studio. Don't worry about the kind of mess in the behind. And these are my guests. And now I even have a cameraman say hi. And I have Olaf and several friends of mine who are delighted to come here to enjoy my lecture. Okay, so what I'm going to do actually today as a kind of trial is to use the whiteboard and the screen sharing in my video lecture to combine them to give you more information, and also at the same time, you kind of little more enjoy, I really hope that I can deliver you excitement during my, kind of lecture by writing something down on the whiteboard and then talk about, what is important things, you know what I'm saying, okay? And, regardless of that, I will still upload my lecture note with annotated to Canvas such that you can make use of those materials as your study, for your study. And also, what I'm going to do is I'm going to separate the review video file and also example solution video file. I think those are more helpful if I, use my iPad and stylus to, give you more details of, how we drive and write equations and try to solve these problems. But for the main part of my lecture, I'm going to use this whiteboard and more like a screen capture for today. So please give me your feedback. So if you really prefer the kind of entire screen capture lecture video as before, more than what I'm doing now, then I can stop this studio lecture kind of video recording. But if you do like this one better, then I'm gonna invite more kind of dull friends to my studio, and I'm going to do this kind of kind of more like a mocking lecture in front of you. Okay,